Right, Tesla fam, guys, today I'm going to show you, basically walk you through how to actually perform a soft reboot on your Tesla's touchscreen. How do you basically restart your touchscreen, right? This simple reset can basically help you with minor glitches or refresh your system without losing any data, guys. So let's get right into it. So what do you need to do, okay? First things first, you want to basically shift into park. This will not work. You cannot restart your touchscreen unless it is in park. Okay, here, it says here as well. You cannot do this unless you're in park. So what you want to do, guys, is you see these scroll buttons, right? Both these scroll buttons. You want to hold both of them down, okay? Hold both of them down on your steering wheel until the Tesla touchscreen turns black. You want to press the brake pedal while holding down the scroll buttons. This does not have any impact and is not required. So you don't need to press the brake pedal, okay? You don't need to do that. It's not important. Then basically what's going to happen once it turns black and after a few seconds, the Tesla logo appears. You want to basically wait for approximately 30 seconds for the Tesla touchscreen to restart. And if the touchscreen is still unresponsive or demonstrating unusual behavior after a few minutes, you can try power cooling the vehicle if possible. I will make another video on that. So you can check out the link in the description for that, or you can see at the end card. And basically, guys, once the reboot is complete, you just want to check to see if the issue you are experiencing has been fixed or not. So your touchscreen should basically be refreshed and functioning as usual, guys. And that's it, guys. You've successfully performed a soft reboot on your Tesla's touchscreen. If the issue still persists, guys, you can try other troubleshooting methods, but usually this quickly fixes and does the trick, guys. And what I want you to do, guys, is make sure you hit that link in the description, guys, to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further. Until next time, guys, I want you to subscribe to the channel so I can actually see you guys in the next video.